Okay, I want to explain about specification of the vehicle, and this is a manual book, and this is a page of a book. And first, I want to explain the size and weight of the vehicle. The weight of the vehicle is divided into upper length, and overweight. Overhead will be straight and minimum running ground clearance, and room length, room weight, room height, and overhang front, overhang rear, angle of approach, angle of departure, and curb weight or CW, gross vehicle weight or GVW. And next, we go to capabilities, or in Indonesian, kemampuan. Okay, the first is maximum vehicle capacities, and second, fuel consumption, and third, maximum credibility, and fourth, minimum turning radius. And next, we enter the engine specification, or in Indonesian, spesifikasi mesin. First, there is the cylinder arrangement. The cylinder arrangement, there are several types, namely in type inline, and type V, type of placed horizontal, and type widths. Second, we go into the valve mechanism. Valve in Indonesian, mekanisme katup. The valve mechanism is divided into overhead valve type, overhead camshaft, or in Indonesian type tipe overhead camshaft, and third, overhead cams type double overhead type. And the third, we enter the cylinder bore and step stroke. There are three types of cylinder bore comparison. The first is long stroke, engine squares, engine short stroke. The fourth has a piston displacement. Piston displacement. Piston displacement is the sum of the volumes of the dead center position. The fifth, we enter. Okay, the four has piston displacement. Piston displacement is the sum of the volumes of the dead center positions. The fifth, we enter comparison. In Indonesian, perbandingan kompresi. Comparison, and the sixth, there is the engine moment. In Indonesian, moment mesin. The engine moment is a value that shows the twisting force of this twisting. First, on the engine output. The seventh is the engine output power, or in Indonesian, daya output mesin. Which is the engine output power is the average work done at one time. Finally, there is a machine capability curve. In Indonesian, kurva kemampuan mesin. A machine capability curve is a graph that shows machine capabilities in general. And